Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Welcome to the fifth part of our free complete option trading course series. If you have not watched the previous part, I highly recommend you watch those videos before you watch this. I will share a direct link to the course playlist in the description box below. Now without further delay, let us get into today's topic. Now we'll be discussing about one of the most important topic of option trading, that is strike price. So in this video, you will learn what is strike price, how it is calculated, and which strike price will provide you best results in option trading. Now if you go to NSE website and here you choose Bank Nifty is currently trading at 36,422 level. Now this is the option chain data of Bank Nifty. If you see on the left side, you will have call option related data, and on the right side, you will have put option related data, and in between you will have strike price. Now if I explain what is strike price by showing option chain data, many of them will get confused. So I will try to explain this to you with a very simple example. Traders, we saw that the current market price of Bank Nifty is 36,422. Now if I want to trade in Bank Nifty exactly at this current market price, I cannot trade. I need to select a strike price. For Bank Nifty, there will be 100 points difference between each strike price. Now in this option chain data, what did I show you? On the left side, we will have call option information. On the right side, we will have put option information. And in between, we will have strike prices. Now the closest strike price to the current market price is 36,400. 36,400 is close to the current market price, which is 36,422. So this 36,400 strike price, for the call side, we will consider this as at the money strike price. Now for the put side also, this 36,400 will be considered as at the money strike price. Now any strike price below 36,400, like 36,300, 36,200, 36,100, 36,000, any strike price below at the money strike price, for the call side, we will consider this as in the money strike price. Now any strike price above 36,400, like 36,500, 36,600, 36,700, 36,800, so on and so forth, any strike price above 36,400, for the put option side, it will be in the money strike price. Traders, I hope you have understood what is at the money strike price level and what is in the money strike price level for both call side and the put side. Now what I'm going to tell you is very important, so please pay complete focus and attention. Now any strike price above 36,400, like 36,500, 600, 700, all these strike prices for the call side, we will consider this as out of the money strike price. Now any strike price below 36,400, like 36,300, 200, 100, all these strike prices on the put side, we will consider this as out of the money strike price. Traders, it is very important that you understand what is at the money, what is in the money, and what is out of the money. At the money is same for both call side and put side. Now if you're getting confused, just remember about the call side. Now if you remember what is in the money and out of the money on the call side, exact opposite on the put side will be out of the money and in the money. Now I highly recommend whoever want to do option trading, you always choose at the money strike price or in the money strike price. It doesn't matter you're trading in call option or put option. Always choose in the money or at the money strike price. This is because the probability of you making profit by choosing in the money strike price and at the money strike price is high. This is because in the money strike price will have intrinsic value and time value, and at the money strike price will have time value. Now what is intrinsic value? What is time value All of this I have explained in this YouTube video. Here in detail we have discussed what is intrinsic value and what is time value. If I discuss that here, then the length of this video will increase. Please watch that video. After this, I will give a direct link to that video in the description as well as the first comment of this video. Now, always try to avoid trading in out of the money options. Now traders, now I'll take you back to option chain data, and there let us see what is in the money level, what is at the money level, and what is out of the money strike price levels. Traders, if you go to Google and search for option chain data and click on this first link, you will be taken to this page. This is NSE website option chain data page. If I choose Bank Nifty, you will get Bank Nifty option chain data. Now, if you really want to trade in options, it is very important that you understand what are all these contents. Without having a proper understanding of what these are, it will be very difficult for you to trade in options. I have made a dedicated video on this also already on YouTube. Now after watching this video, I highly recommend you go and check out this video. To successfully trade in options, you have to learn how to do option chain analysis. But as of now, we are here to understand about strike price. So we will discuss only about that now. Now I have chosen Bank Nifty here. Now in expiry section, I will choose current week expiry. Now here you can see Bank Nifty is trading at 36,088 level. Now if I want to trade in Bank Nifty exactly at this current market price, I cannot trade. I need to select a strike price. Now which strike price is closest to 36,088? It is 36,100, right? 36,100 is very close to 36,088. Now in this option chain data, strike price details will be mentioned here. On the left side, we will have call option data. On the right side, we will have put option data. Now the closest strike price to the current market price is 36,100. So in the strike price section, if I scroll down, where is 36,100? It is here, right? Now this 36,100, since it is very close to the current market price, we will consider this as at the money strike price. It is at the money strike price for both call as well as the put side. Now on this call side, can you see this beige color? Beige color from top to bottom till here. All these strike prices which is highlighted in beige color, these are all in the money strike price for the call side. Now all the strike prices below 36,100, you can see this, all these strike prices which is highlighted in beige color, these are all in the money strike price for the put option side. So whatever is highlighted in beige color on the left side, it is in the money option for the call side. Whatever is highlighted in beige color on the right side, it is in the money option for the put side. Now all the strike prices below this ATM at the money strike price, these strike prices which are not highlighted in beige color, these are out of the money strike price for the call side, and all these strike prices which is not highlighted in beige color, these are out of the money strike price for put side. Traders, if you notice here, this at the money strike price, this 36,600, it is trading at just 377 rupees. Now all these strike prices for the call side which is highlighted in beige color, as it goes deep into the money, it starts becoming more expensive. Now out of this money strike price for the call side, it keeps getting cheaper. LTP means last traded price. Always remember, out of the money strike prices will be sold in a lesser premium compared to in the money strike price. This is because in the money strike price will have both intrinsic value as well as time value, and out of the money options will not have any intrinsic value or time value. That's why it keeps trading at a lesser price. Traders, I hope you have got a basic understanding about what is strike price, what is in the money strike price, at the money strike price, and out of the money strike price. And I've also told you, you should always trade at the money strike price or in the money strike price. It doesn't matter on the call side or the put side. Traders, like I have already told you, I made a very lengthy video about how to select strike price for option trading. I highly recommend you watch this video as soon as you complete this video. Only then you will understand what is intrinsic value, what is time value, and why we need to choose only in the money and at the money strike price, and why we should not choose out of the money strike prices. Alright? Now traders, it takes a lot of time for us to create such videos for you. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we upload our next video. Now that's all for this video. I will see you in the next lecture.